Hi friends, welcome you all. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon so that you can get update on time. So let's start.
If you are not have a complete understanding about broadcast and collision domain, so you will find difficulty in troubleshooting the things. So these are the most important terms, very small terms in people will learn initially but forget what exactly is, but that is the important with respect to the troubleshooting and other things. So if I am saying broadcast domain, right? I will try to explain you in a very layman language. Suppose you are standing in a park in a stone, right? And these much people are standing in the park, and you are loudly saying hello, right? You are saying hello, right? So maybe your hello will these people are able to listen your hello, right? They are able to listen your hello, but all these group of people are standing very far from you. They are not able to listen your hello, right? So how far your voice is travel is your broadcast domain, right? These all people are sitting in the same park, but they are not able to listen your voice, so they are not coming under your broadcast domain. These all people are under your broadcast domain because they are able to listen you are saying hello, right? Maybe if I'm dragging these people little bit far, they will also come under your broadcast domain because now they are able to listen you as well, because they are coming, they will come near to you, right? So broadcast domain is nothing how far your broadcast is traveling, right? Suppose this is your hub, right? You have this much port and you have this PC connected here. So if I am saying hub is having a single broadcast domain, means whatever this packet this PC will send to this port, they will the hub is going to send that packet to everyone, right? Everyone is able to listen that packet except the port from which you are sending the packet, you are receiving the packet, right? These port does not have any choice, right? They have to listen your packet, right? Like this, these people are standing near to you, they do not have any choice. If you are saying hello, they have to listen your hello, right? they cannot they cannot deny your hello, they cannot deny your sound, they do not have any option. If you are loudly saying hello, they do not have any option, they have to listen it, right? Similarly in a hub, if this switch is sending packet to this one, right? These all other port does not have any choice, although this packet belongs to this guy, right? But they all have to listen it. Similarly, like this, suppose you only want to say the hello to this girl, right? This girl name is Priya. Suppose you want to say hello Priya, right? You are saying to Priya, but you are saying so loud, and all of them in your broadcast domain have to listen hello Priya, right? No matters you are telling to them hello Priya to or not, right? Because they all are in your broadcast domain, they have to listen your voice. Similarly, in a hub, every PC which is connected to your hub have to listen each and every packet, no matters it is belongs to him or not. How far your broadcast will travel, how many people, how many device will see listen your broadcast, when his broadcast is going to break, right? That is your broadcast domain. So if we are trying to understand in a technical term, right? If H3 is sending any packet, right? Maybe H3 is trying to send the packet to H1 only, but he is sending to that H3 is sending to hub, so it automatically delivered to each H2 as well. No matters H2 will need this packet or not, this packet belongs to H2 or not, but they have to listen it. That is hub. That is one broadcast domain, right? Now come to collision domain. Suppose you are doing the same thing. You are sitting in the standing on this stone in a park and saying hello, loudly saying hello, right? and these much people are able to listen you because they are coming under your broadcast domain, right? Now, suppose in reply of your hello, everybody starts saying hello at the same time, right? Everybody starts saying replying hello at the same time. Is it possible for you to recognize which hello belongs to which man, right? You only able to heard the some sound is there of reply, but you never come to know which hello belongs to which people, right? Which one, which person? Is it possible for you? If everybody start speaking simultaneously, it is possible for you to recognize with the help of voice which hello is belongs to which guy? No, right? But if it happen like this, instead of everybody is saying hello, or you can say this is your broadcast domain, right? And in reply of hello, these all are saying hello to you. But for you, only able to recognize the voice of this man because this man is very near to you, right? When you are recognizing this voice man, you will say the hello to him and you are start speaking with them. Hello, how are you, right? These all people are also speaking at the same time, but you are not able to reply them because they are everybody is speaking at the same time. Only you are replying to him first because this guy is very near to you, right? After finishing the communication with them, maybe you are able to speak with him one by one, right? You cannot speak with everybody in a same time, right? So collision domain is how many people, how many device will communicate with each other at the same time, right? If you are able to speak two people at the same time, you have a two collision domain. If you are able to speak five people at the same time, you have a five collision domain. If you are able to speak only four people or 24 people at the same time, you have a 24 collision domains. But if you are able to speak only one people at the same time, one person at the same time, you have a one collision domain. So in a hub, you have one broadcast domain and one collision domain. It means whatever you are sending to hub, it will received by everyone, but you are able to communicate with one PC at the one time. If if you have this hub, you have this PC, and this PC. So if you are talking with this guy, you are not able to talk to this guy, or this guy and this guy are not able to talk, right? Because you only have a one medium. You only have a one collision domain. At the moment these two are speaking, no one can speak each other, or this guy cannot speak with him. Once this communication is over, maybe this can be communicate, maybe this can be communicate. So collision domain is how many people, how many device can communicate with each other at the one moment of time, at the one time, right? Suppose I have a more people on this call, right? Suppose I have two more guys on this call, and you all three guys are saying to me hello, right? It is difficult for me to reply all three hellos at the same time. So what I will do, I will stop two people. First I will speak with you, Samuel, hello, how are you? Then I will stop communication with you. Then I will talk to other well, hi Ibrahim, hello, how are you, where are you from, what you are doing. Then I will stop communication with Ibrahim. Then I will start communicating with another guy, which another girl with which is maybe Priya. Priya, where are you? Where are you from? What are you are doing? So in this way, one by one, I can speak to everyone, right? I cannot speak of with all of three guys at the same time in a one call. So I have a one single because I have a one single collision domain with me. But if I am saying hello, if I am saying hello Samuel on this call, but that Ibrahim and Priya has to listen it because they do not have any choice. Even I am saying to Samuel, but they have to listen to every, they have to listen. So right now I am acting as a hub. I am having a one broadcast domain and a one collision domain. Whatever I am saying, you all on this call have to listen it. No matter I am saying to Samuel, no matter I am saying to Ibrahim, no matter I am uh, saying to Priya, you all have to listen it. But only I can communicate with one guy. If you are saying something to me, I have to answer you all first. Then I need to stop to you. Then I will communicate with Ibrahim. Then I am communicate with Priya. But only one communication at one time. That is my one single collision domain. When another thing is, if you and me are communicating, suddenly Priya and Ibrahim will start communicating. No one able to understand, right? So when we stop communicating, then maybe Priya and Ibrahim will start communicate on this call. So only one connection at one time. That is a collision domain. How many devices are communicating with each other at the single point of time? So if I'm talking with respect to the hub is having the one collision domain. Suppose if I'm H1 is also sending the data to H3, same time H2 is sending the data to H3, it will be a crash because they will not come, they only have the single collision domain, right? To avoid this situation, we have a CSMA CD concept, CSMA CD, carrier sense multiple access. This protocol will help us in case of hub to make the communication. So they will send the kind of signaling to each device that this link is currently busy. Currently H1 and H3 is speaking, so please do not send the data. Suppose if H2 is send the data, they will keep on hold. They will keep on hold on this interface because these are speaking to each other. Once this communication will happen, they will remove the trigger. Now the data will be start flowing between this so that the crash will not happen. Thanks guys, thank you for watching my video. Hope you will enjoy and you will get the knowledge from that. Also please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon so that you can get the update on time.